G'day Tentworld viewers, this is Deon from the Ferntree Gully store, and today look what I've got for you. It is the range of Campfire's compact cookware. Now this cookware, this is a triple coated non-stick surface. It's a lightweight, very lightweight die cast aluminium. It's suitable for gas cooktops, electric cooktops and induction, so you can use it in the home as well as camping. But the really cool thing about these is the removable handles. So you just flip them up like that, take them off, nice and easy. Just makes it nice and easy to pack. Goes like that in, and you just click this down for a nice secure hold. And these come in a range of shapes and sizes. So you've got this one here, which is the 24cm frying pan, the 28cm frying pan. And this is another 28cm one, but with the deep sides, so it's the deep frying pan. This square griller here, and the saucepan with a lid. So now it's time to check out how the frying pan goes. I've got it here on the companion cooktop. Look at that. Hot enough to fry an egg. Now, even though it's non-stick, I would recommend using some oil, spray oil. And I use just a little bit, and you can see the egg. It's nice and slippery there. And another bonus is that they are all dishwasher safe. So if you want to come and check out the range, you can come to one of our store locations across the country or at tentworld.com.au. Thanks for watching and happy camping.